Forgotten username, recovery failed on Plus Fix. If you can't remember your Plus username, most people get stuck trying random guesses, but here's why that don't work. Recovery is simple when you use your registered email and follow the official process carefully. Step 1. Go to the Plus login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. This will send an email with your username or a secure recovery link. Step 2. If you've lost access to that email, prepare account information such as your full name, recent trades, or the last deposit method used. The support can manually verify your identity and help you recover your username securely. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam and junk, for the recovery email. Follow the instructions precisely, as any deviation may delay access. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Plus support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that you cannot access your username. Their team will guide you through a secure manual recovery process. The key takeaway is that forgetting your Plus username doesn't mean losing your account. By using the verification steps and contacting support when needed, you can regain access quickly and continue trading confidently. Consider updating your recovery email and enabling two-factor authentication for added security.